Welcome to Steven's Garage 216. Look at this garage, though. I'm telling you guys, no matter what I do, it gets like this after 3 days of cleaning it out. I can literally bring everything out of the garage, put it back where it's supposed to go, make everything nice and neat, and then once I get filming or wanting to work on a project, I end up with this crap. I don't get it. But I promised I might start doing some midweek videos, and you're never going to believe this, but right now it's like a Wednesday, and it's I promised a midweek short video. This is going to be so freaking short. You're probably already done watching it if you clicked off the video, but look, while you're here, go down below the video, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Join the garage. Come help clean the mess, maybe. But look, hey, real quick. So we know that the Z28, the 3rd gen Camaro, is coming home really soon. So I got to get my door skins back together, and I just want to show you a very simple, quick trick, something that you could do to help get them door skins looking good again. Let's take a look. Now, you probably got door skins that are looking like this. They're falling out underneath, you know, they're not holding to the cardboard anymore or anything like that. Just really bad. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some spray glue, and this is only for other car materials. I'd like to point that out. It's only for car materials. It's supposed to be a short video, right? Let's go. So what I do is I just take and spray this very generously here. And like I've already done over here, I basically take the ends, fold them over, rub it real good. I'm doing this one-handed, so you guys will have to forgive me. But then I take 2 pieces of wood and a couple C-clamps, and you can see what I got going on. I got it all being held over. And I'll do sections like that at a time. I'll tell you what, man. Nothing ever goes the way I need it to go. Although if you're a mechanic and you do this stuff too, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, we got enough air. So what we're doing is, if you remember a few videos ago, my boss wanted me to do an LS swap on this piece of crap black IROC Camaro until we realized that it's so rotted out, this thing is just not worth doing anything to. So I'm at the shop where we towed it to, and I'm on the ground getting nasty and dirty using the work truck with an air compressor on it, which is what you can hear. And I got me a cutoff wheel, and I'm trying to get these subframe tie-ins off and get them ready and cleaned up to go on to the red one that you've seen in only a couple of videos ago. So this is what today's video kind of is about, but we got a lot more going on. Right now, all I got is 1 bolt left to cut off. Let's get that bolt cut off and work on these subframe tie-ins. And we got so much stuff going on today. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm laughing. It's just been one of those days, like I was saying a couple seconds ago for you, but hours for me. Anyway, so check it out. We got the frame rails off. Sorry, I call them frame rails. Subframe tie-ins, whatever. Now these are bolt-in style, but what's going to happen is when I go to put them on the car, I'm gonna bolt them in, but I'm also gonna weld them in some key points to help stiffen them. And I took a wire wheel to them Took a wire wheel to them, and then just used this primer, and then I've got some black engine high temperature paint. And I'm just gonna coat them and stuff like that. It'll be fine. They're under a car, so it's not like anybody sees them very often. Just wanted to clean them up. It's just, you know, one of them steps that you take to make things go a little further, you know, look a little nicer, cleaner job, all that stuff. So that's what we're working on. We've got other stuff to do. So now you see I've got them in primer. I'm gonna let them dry for a few minutes, and then we're gonna come right back like that. Well, it doesn't work that way, but I'm gonna throw the black on them, let them dry for a little bit, and then you'll see that. And I almost forgot to record the after. But they're black, they're painted. They're just literally sitting here for no reason other than to wait for me to put them onto the car. So another thing done. If you guys remember, I already degreased and cleaned all this. I'm gonna get some red paint and take care of that. Take care of those. Just a simple cover up, nothing, it's like absolutely nothing special. The only thing getting done special will be on the outside for a new paint job and stuff like that. And this is what's going in it. This is what's going in it, but we're gonna change all the front end stuff to Corvette stuff or Trans Am, whatever we get our hands on. The water pump's coming off, getting new. Putting the Trans Am or Corvette pulley on it. Putting a new pump, timing gears, and stuff like that in it. But we're all set up. So